Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on writing the letter S. I know it's going to be like a twister, but still this letter is important because it adds beauty. This is considered to be the most beautiful letter in the lowercase letters. So when you just see a random cursive writing, the letter S, right? That adds beauty to the word. And when it comes to the uppercase, your eyes automatically goes to that letter because it's all full of spirals, twists and turns. So let's learn how to write the S in the easiest way but also the most beautiful form. Okay, so let me just show you how the letter S is written. So that's the letter S. You're going to form two loops. See, the lower loop is an option. So if you want, you can just form the upper loop or you can just go with this. Some prefer forming the loop, but some they don't want to. So I do not want to do that. In my handwriting, I make sure that I don't form this loop, but it's okay to leave that loop, but it will definitely add some attention here. So if you feel like you like it, then you can go ahead. So to begin with S, you need to start from the baseline. Make sure it's extended a bit far. So when you bring it up, the letter goes front and you will get a left slanted look. Okay, so make sure you extend it longer and then the loop falls back. Okay, so let me just show you how this one is. It's not S, it's just a little curve. Okay, just a slight curve. Let's practice the first half. A long line, loop that falls back. Make sure you just curve it slightly. Let's practice it again. I'm used to writing this letter S because that's my initial. So this is a bit easy for me. So make sure it doesn't go beyond the loop. Okay, so it will automatically give you a left slanted appearance. Practice the S stroke again and then extend it till here. Do not cross over that. Okay, do not cross over the initial stroke. Stop it till here and you can just extend it to connect with the next letter. Or if you feel like you want to add a little bit of loop, make sure it's too tiny, not large. Okay, so that's how you practice the letter S. It's like this. You go up and then like this, just like a boat. Okay, so let me just show you the letter S again one more time. Let me just break it down using the color codes. So the initial loop, okay, followed by this, and let me just put that in red, followed by this, and retrace it like that. Okay, it's just like this. Keep watching. It's just like how you put wrong, but with much attention and focus. That's the lowercase s. Now it's time to show you the type of S that you shouldn't write. The first one, there's no loop, there's no shape, it's just like a triangle that's not connected. That's absolutely wrong. Some of us write it like, for example, when you write saw, So it just goes like that. I'm not able to get it because I rarely do that. So it's just like a pointed triangle. You need to avoid that. And the next type of S is this one. Too many loops, too large loop. The loop on top must not go beyond half of the middle zone. Okay? So make sure it's controlled. You can touch it a little bit here. Don't make it large like this. That's way too much. Okay? And then make sure it's not towards the left. Okay? Bring it back, slight curve. So in mathematics you have some symbol like this. Okay? Also don't enclose the loop on top. That's how you write the letter S. And if you have difficulty practicing the letter S, comment below. So I'll be teaching you all in one-to-one session. Like we can have one-to-one session to check whether your writing is okay or you need to focus or practice some patterns. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. We are almost towards the end of this series, and I'll be teaching you all the uppercase letters. So subscribe, and it's going to help you a lot improve your writing. Bye bye.